Hi, I'm Ken Schall, PGA professional. Today we're going to be talking about fitting for putters. When a client comes into my studio to be fitted for a putter, the first thing I look at is their putting stroke. I'm going to explain the three different types of putters that we look at. The first one here is what we call a faced balanced putter. When I balance the putter, the shaft of the putter on my finger here, you can see that the face of the golf club pretty much points straight to the sky, which is great for a stroke that goes straight back and straight through, okay? Another type of putter that we have, if I hold this on my finger like this, you can see that the toe of the putter is down, okay? This is appropriate for a stroke, let's say like Ben Crenshaw or Phil Mickelson, where the stroke goes significantly inside, back to square, and then back to the inside, okay? The third one is sort of middle of the road. You could see that when I hold the putter on my finger, the face of the club is pointing skyward at about 45 degrees or so, about halfway in between those two putters that we just looked at, okay? So now I'll go ahead and stroke a couple of putts and kind of explain what we're looking at, okay? What we have here is a putting track, and I'm going to place the ball on the track so that the heel of the club is right on one of the rails, and I'll just make a stroke that is, you know, pretty close to, or straight back and straight through. This putter is perfect for that type of putting stroke, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is take a ball and put it on the right side of the track, so that it gives this putter a chance to go inside, back to square, and back inside, okay? That's a perfect putter there for that type of putting stroke, okay? The third putter I'm going to look at is a putter that's a little more middle of the road. It's not face balance. The toe isn't sticking straight down, but it's somewhere in the middle, which captures most of the masses as far as their putting stroke. This is a stroke that's going to be slightly inside, back to square, and slightly back to the inside on the way through. So I'll put the ball right in the middle of the track. That was a stroke that went slightly inside on the way back and slightly inside on the way through. So that's more of an appropriate putter, well, not only for myself, but a lot of the PGA Tour players have a similar type of stroke as that, and many of the masses. Since the USGA has banned anchored putters beginning in 2016, one putter that's becoming very popular is called a counterbalance putter. What this putter is it's quite a bit longer than a normal putter, but it has a lot of weight at the grip end of the club. And so when a golfer grips the putter, they're going to grip down on the club. A lot of weight is right up here, and it sort of helps the putter or the golfer capture the feeling of anchoring the putter when they're really not. It gives them the same feel as an anchored club, but it really isn't. This does conform to USGA rules. Another thing that's very popular are oversized grips. I'll show you a couple that we have in stock here at the studio. These three grips I sell a lot of. These two Super Stroke grips, they come in different sizes. Here's a wind putter grip, but what a larger putter grip can do for you, it seems to really help steady the nerves in a putting stroke. You know, everybody can get nervous over putts. A grip this size sort of takes your hands out of the stroke. Of all the clubs in your bag, the putter is for sure the most important one. They come in all shapes and sizes, different weights. You know, whether they're heel balanced or face balanced. It's worth the time and effort to see a PGA professional and get fitted properly.